Hello and welcome to Your World This Week, the weekly roundup for all the top news stories of the week. The top news stories this week are:
June 12th marked a somber chapter in India's history with the catastrophic crash of Air India flight AI 171, a Boeing 787-8 Dreamliner in Ahmedabad, Gujarat. The flight en route to London's Gatwick Airport from Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel International Airport carried 242 people, of which 169 Indians, 53 British, 7 Portuguese and 1 Canadian were passengers, and it had 12 crew members including pilots Captain Sumit Sabharwal and First Officer Clive Kundar. Just 30 seconds after takeoff at 1:38 p.m., the plane issued a mayday call, reached a maximum altitude of 625 feet and crashed into a doctor's hostel at BJ Medical College in Meghaninagar, exploding into flames. The disaster claimed 241 lives aboard with only one survivor, Vishwas Kumar Ramesh, a 40-year-old British national of Indian origin seated in seat number 11A, who escaped with minor injuries. Prime Minister Narendra Modi visited the crash site on Friday. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will attend the 51st G7 summit in Canada from 15th June to 17 June, following an invitation from Canadian Prime Minister Mark Carney. Modi confirmed his participation on June 6th via a post on X, congratulating Carney on his recent election and expressing optimism about strengthening India-Canada ties, stating, "As vibrant democracies bound by deep people-to-people ties, India and Canada will work together with renewed vigor." Israel launched strikes across Iran on Friday, saying they targeted the heart of Iran's nuclear program. The Israeli military says Iran has launched a counterattack, which they are working to intercept, and a state of emergency has been declared in Israel. Hossein Salami, chief of Iran's Islamic Revolutionary Guards, a powerful branch of the country's armed forces, was killed, Iranian state media reported. The United States issued a statement saying it was not involved in the strikes, which also hit Iran's main nuclear enrichment facility. Explosions were reported in Iran's capital Tehran around 3:30 local time. Israel's military truck said it had struck dozens of military targets, including nuclear targets in different areas of Iran. In sports news, the 2025 French Open men's final held on June 8th at Roland Garros in Paris was a landmark clash that redefined tennis history. Defending champion Carlos Alcaraz faced world number 1 Jannik Sinner, 23, in a grueling 5-set epic, with Alcaraz triumphing 4-6, 6-7, 4-7, 6-4, 7-6, 7-3, 7-6, 10-2. Lasting 5 hours and 29 minutes, it became the longest French Open final ever and the second longest Grand Slam final in history, only behind the 2012 Australian Open final, which lasted 5 hours and 53 minutes. In entertainment news, tragedy struck as Sanjay Kapoor, Karishma Kapoor's ex-husband, died at 53 on June the 12th from a heart attack during a polo match at the UK's Guards Polo Club. On a brighter note, Amazon Prime Video surprised fans by advancing the release of Panchayat Season 4 to June 24th from July the 2nd. For Katrina Kaif fans, the Bollywood star was named the Maldives Global Brand Ambassador for Tourism, boosting the nation's global appeal. And Gauri Khan Designs launched its much-anticipated Delhi Experience Centre, redefining the landscape of luxury interiors and bespoke living.